This tour is about New York, seen through the movies of Martin Scorsese. Martin Scorsese is perhaps one of the most visionary filmmakers of all time, and he is especially known for his portrayal of the city he grew up in. The purpose of this tour is to explore Scorsese's depiction of New York City over the course of a few decades, and the way it was influenced by his own experiences. We begin our tour in front of the house that young Scorsese lived in, at 253 Elizabeth Street. Scorsese was actually born in Corona, Queens in 1942, but by the time he was 8, his family had moved to this tenement in Little Italy because of financial troubles. Both of Scorsese's parents were children of immigrants from Sicily who had settled in New York City in about 1910. Growing up within the tightly knit Italian-American community on Elizabeth Street, Scorsese was first exposed to local gangsters, or tough guys. He described the Lower East Side. It was pretty rough. A lot of everybody living on top of each other, and a lot of tension. His experiences growing up would influence many of his movies, most heavily his 1973 breakout film, Mean Streets. Focusing on things like the centrality of family, the struggle for success as an immigrant, close ties to the Roman Catholic Church and organized crime, Scorsese took what he had seen in Little Italy and expressed it through film, first as a student at NYU and then as a professional.